Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you? I pray everyone is in good health. Let's start today's lesson. Inshallah, we will be doing grammar lesson, how to use was and were. Was and were is actually the past form of am, is and are. Am, is and are present form, and I'm sure you remember we already studied this. So let's see an example. For example, now in the present, I am a teacher now. And for the past, I will say I was a student, let's say in 2012. So I was a student in 2012. So you can see the am will change to was. So let's see. Am is the present form, it becomes was. Similarly, is the present form changes to was, and are the present form changes to were. And you also remember that am and is are used for singular and are for plural. For example, I am, so I was. She is, so she was. They are, so they were. So inshallah you will see more examples later. Now let's see another example. I was a student 10 years ago. Now this was is actually the past form of the verb to be. Was or were. I am a student now. I was a student 10 years ago. So when you change am to was, you will also change the time. For example, if it is now, it will become either 10 years ago or yesterday, like this. Now let's see how to form the positive, negative and question sentences using was and were. First, I was ill yesterday. This is a positive form. That means, yes, I was ill yesterday. Now, negative. Negative means no. It is the opposite of positive. So we will say, I was not ill yesterday. See, it's very easy. And where do you put not? After was. So not comes here. After was. Next, how to make a question. I was ill yesterday. So the question will be, I will take the was and bring it in the beginning. It will be, was I ill yesterday? And I put the question mark in the end. So was and were comes at the beginning of the sentence. Was I ill yesterday? Now let's see a few examples. Positive sentences. I was a student. You were a teacher. He was in our class. She was happy. It was black. We were students. You were friends. They were brothers. So you can see for I, he, she and it we use was. For you, we, they we use were. Now let's see Negative sentences. I was not a student. You were not a teacher. He was not in our class. She was not happy. It was not black. We were not students. You were not friends. They were not brothers. Again, this is very easy. You have to put not after was or were. Let's see questions. Now, how you will make this into a question? Very easy. You will bring was and were in front of the sentence like this. Was I a student? Were you a teacher? Was he in our class? Was she happy? Was it black? Were we students? Were you friends? Were they brothers? And what you will do in the end, you will remove the full stop and put the question mark. Now you can see the rule to use was and were. With he, she, it, I and singular, we use was. And with you, we, they and plural, many, we use were. Thank you.